Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with a new chapter Administrative Setup of Odisha. So এই চ্যাপ্ଟরটা ফর্মেশন অফ ওড়িশা ପରେ ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟିଭ କେମିତି ସେଟଅପ୍ ହେଲା ସେଇ ଉପରେ MCQ ଅଛି. So let's start this session. Question number 1. When was Odisha made into a separate province by the Britishers? Question number 1. When was Odisha made into a separate province by the Britishers? Option A 12th March 1901, option B 1st April 1936, option C 13th April 1941, option number D 15th March 1912. So right answer is option number B 1st April 1936. Question number 2. Which of the following articles of Constitution deals with creation of unicameral or bicameral legislation by the states? Question number 2 is which of the following articles of Constitution deals with creation of unicameral or bicameral legislation by the states? Option A Article 177, option B Article 175, option C Article 169 and option number D Article 174. The right answer is option number C Article 169. Question number 3. After India's independence, the Odisha Legislative Assembly was elected for the first time in. Question number 3. After India's independence, the Odisha Legislative Assembly was elected for the first time in. Option A 1947, option B 1949, option C 1950 and option number D 1952. So right answer is option number D 1952. Question number 4. The number of seats the Legislative Assembly of Odisha is. Question number 4. The number of seats the Legislative Assembly of Odisha is. Option A 135, option B 140, option C 145 and option number D 147. So question number 4 right answer of option number D 147. Choice of choice. Which article states that the first meeting of Legislative Assembly will begin with an address by the Governor? Question number 5. Which article states that the first meeting of Legislative Assembly will begin with an address by the Governor? Option A Article 176(1), Article option B Article 197, option C Article 353 bracket 2, option D Article 212 bracket 1. So question number 5 right answer of option A Article 176 bracket 1. Question number 6. Which of the following is not true regarding Odisha State Legislative Assembly building? Question number 6 is which of the following is not true regarding Odisha State Legislative Assembly building? Option A the new building of the Assembly was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B the building was inaugurated in 1961. Option C Nandin Satpathy was the Chief Minister of Odisha at that time. Option D both A and C. So question number 6 right answer of option number D both A and C. Question number 7. Who among the following was the first post-independent Speaker of Odisha State Assembly? Question number 7. Who among the following was the first post-independent Speaker of Odisha State Assembly? Option A Nilakantha Das, option B Nandakishore Mishra, option C Lal Mohan Patnaik, option number D Somanath Rath. So question number 7 right answer of option number B Nandakishore Mishra. Question number 8. Which among the following is not an Odisha State political party? Question number 8. Who among the following is not an Odisha State political party? Option A Koshal Kranti Dal, option B Samata Dal, option C Biju Janata Dal, option number D Odisha Communist Party. So question number 8 right answer of option number B Samata Dal. Question number 9. According to which of the following articles there shall be a governor for each state of India? Question number 9. According to which of the following articles there shall be a governor for each state of India? Option A Article 152, option B Article 153, option C Article 156 and option number D Article 171. So right answer is option number B Article 153. Question number 10. Which of the following article of Constitution deals with the appointment of governor? Question number 10. Which of the following article of Constitution deals with the appointment of governor? Option A Article 163, Option B Article 159, Option C Article 217, Option number D Article 155. Right answer is option number D Article 155. Question number 11. Who appoints the members of the Odisha State Public Service Commission? Question number 11. Who appoints the members of the Odisha State Public Service Commission? Option A Chief Justice, Option B Governor, Option C Attorney General, Option number D Chief Minister. So question number 11, the right answer of option number B Governor. Question number 12. Who was the first governor of Odisha? Question number 12. Who was the first governor of Odisha? Option A M. Asaf Ali, Option B Sir John Austin Havag, Option C Bhimsen Satcher, Option number D V.P. Menon. So right answer is option number B Sir John Austin Havag. Question number 13. Who was the first governor of independent Odisha? Question number 13. Who was the first governor of independent Odisha? Option A Sir John Austin Havak, Option B V.P. Menon, Option C Dr. Kailash Nath Kadju, Option D M. Asaf Ali. Right answer is option number C Dr. Kailash Nath Kadju. Question number 14. Who was the first Indian governor of Odisha? Question number 14. Who was the first Indian governor of Odisha? Option A Said Fazi Ali, Option B Bhimsen Satchar, Option C V.P. Menon, Option number D Sir Chandulal Madhavlal Trivedi. So question number 14, the right answer of option number D Sir Chandulal Madhavlal Trivedi. Who was the first Prime Minister of Odisha province in British India? Who was the first Prime Minister of Odisha province in British India? Option A Sadasiv Tripathi, Option B Krishna Chandra Gajapati, Option C Vishwanath Das, Option number D Hare Krishna Mahata. So right answer is option number B Krishna Chandra Gajapati. Question number 16. Who was the first Odisha Chief Minister? Question number 16. Who was the first Odisha Chief Minister? Option A Krishna Chandra Gajapati Narayanandiya, Option B Hare Krishna Mahatab, Option C Sri Vijay Patnaik, Option D Shiva Tripathi. So right answer is option number B Hare Krishna Mahatab. Question number 17. Who was the first lady Chief Minister of Odisha? Option A Narmada Kaur, Option B Srimati Nandini Satpathy, Option C Girija Mohanty, Option D Sudhanshu Das. Sudhanshu Bala Das. Right answer is option number A Srimati Nandini Satpathy. Question number 18. Who had been the longest serving Chief Minister of Odisha? Question number 18. Who had been the longest serving Chief Minister of Odisha? Option A Sri Navin Patnaik, Option B Hare Krishna Mahatab, Option C Sri Vijay Patnaik, Option D Sri Hemananda Biswa. Right answer is option number A Sri Navin Patnaik. Question number 19. How many times there had been president's rule in Odisha? Option A never, Option B 8 times, Option C 6 times, Option number D 5 times. So right answer is option number C 6 times. Question number 20. How many times Srimati Nandini Satpathy had been the Chief Minister of Odisha? Option A once, Option B thrice, Option C twice, Option D 4 times. So right answer of question number 20 will be option number C twice. So question number 21. Which among the following is not an institution headed by the Odisha State Executive? Question number 21. Which among the following is not an institution headed by the Odisha State Executive? Option A State Vigilance Directorate, Option B State Election Commission, Option C Odisha Human Rights Commission, Option number D District Session Court. So right answer of question number 21 is option number D District Session Court. Question number 22. When was Odisha Public Service Commission constituted? Question number 22. When was Odisha Public Service Commission constituted? Option A 11 November 1947, Option B 1st April 1949, Option C 21st October 1936, Option number D 1st March 1950. So right answer of question number 22, option number B 1st April 1949. Question number 23. Consider the following statements about Odisha. 1. The Odisha Legislative Assembly is a bicameral state legislative. 2. The seat of Odisha Legislative Assembly is at Bhubaneswar. The question is which of the above statements is or are correct? Option A only 1, option B only 2, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. So right answer is option number B only 2. So this is the last question. Question number 24. Consider the following statements about qualification to be the member of Odisha State Legislature. 1. A person should not be less than 25 years of age. 2. He or she should be a citizen of Odisha. So question is which of the above statement is or are correct? So option A only 1, option B only 2, option C both 1 and 2, option number D neither 1 nor 2. So right answer is option number A only 1. So our administrative setup of Odisha जते सब क्वेश्चन अच्छी आम सब कंप्लीट हो जाइए. So thank you everyone for watching my video. भल लगे लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे एंड सब्सक्राइब करेंगे.